Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices talking. Make sure your My TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network, then enable the TV's screen mirroring or Wi-Fi display option. Once the TV is ready, open your phone's cast or screen mirroring setting. On many Android phones, this lives in quick settings. You want the TV to be discoverable, so wait for its name to appear. If you see multiple device names, pick the one labeled My TV to start the handshake. Now you tap the My TV entry on your phone and initiate the connection. This sends a session request that the TV will usually prompt you to accept. Once you accept, the devices negotiate resolution and audio. If the image looks cropped or letterboxed, change the phone's screen ratio or the TV's display scaling to match your app. Make sure volume routing is set correctly. Sometimes audio stays on the phone until you choose TV speakers. Once paired, you should see your phone screen mirrored. To finish, stop casting from your phone's casting control or use the TV's disconnect option. This cleanly ends the session. If mirroring fails, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, reboot the TV and phone, and try again. Connectivity often resets the discovery process. Make sure both devices run current firmware. Outdated software can block protocols. If you still can't connect, toggle the TV's Wi-Fi display off and on, then retry. These steps solve most hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.